Greetings and salivations, everyone. I'm Krista, this is Fisher, and welcome to TOTALLY RAD. Today we've got a Grogu bath bomb that we're going to review for you, including using it, so stay tuned.
TOTALLY RAD.
Hi, everybody! Well, hello, everyone. Welcome. We hope everyone's doing totally rad today. When we did our Walmart merch search the other day, I came across this little Grogu bath bomb that I had never seen in our store before. And when I looked at it, it says it shoots streams of colors. So I was like, you know what? Let's get it and let's try it out. So we're going to take it in the bathtub here in a couple minutes, but of course I wanted to talk to you about the stuff that is on the back of the package. And that is, of course, the how to use it. You just pretty much put water in your tub, as much or as little as you want, as hot or as cold as you want it, but don't make it too hot. And of course, then you just put the bath bomb in there and it immediately starts fizzing and streaming out colors, supposedly. We're gonna find out. But there is also warnings on the back of it, as they have to do with all types of items like this. It says it's not suitable for children under 3 years old. If you get any of it in your eyes, you're supposed to rinse your eyes for 10 minutes with cold water. So yeah, if you're in the bath, don't be splashing this up in your eyes, guys. And of course, do not eat it. If this product is swallowed, drink plenty of fresh water. It's non-toxic and it will not clog drains. But yeah, just be careful with it. It does look kind of like it would taste really, really good. It is watermelon scented, which I love the smell of watermelon, but not a big fan of the taste of it. So you wouldn't have to worry about me eating this. But yeah, keep it away from pets and children and things like that. But yeah, let's do it, guys. Let's move over into our bathroom. We're gonna put this puppy in the tub and see how it works. So here we are in the bathroom.
I'm ready. I'm ready for my bath.
Silly. I think you just wanted to wear your robe, right?
Yeah, I don't get to wear it much, so I thought I'd wear my robe while we put the bath bomb in the bathtub.
Yep, let's put it in the tub and see how many colors it produces.
Sounds like a plan, Mandalorian.
So I thought I'd point out at first, when you first take it out of the other packaging, it is wrapped in plastic. So you're going to have to cut that plastic off before you put it in the bathtub. There it is out of the package. You can see it on my fingers. It's very, very chalky. It does smell really good. Not quite sure if it's a watermelon smell or not, but it smells pretty fruity and it smells quite lovely. So yeah, let's open up the tub and put Grogu in and see him fizz. Alright guys, are you ready? We're going to put it in. So far, it's just green. It is fizzing. I do see a little bit of color coming out from the one side. It doesn't make a big fizzing sound. That's interesting. I like the bath bombs when you put them in, they're like tss. This one's barely foaming. Kind of looks like a demigorgon right now. Yeah, and again, I'm not seeing, it's supposed to be a stream of colors. And so far, guys, there was a couple little spots that had like red and orange, but it just looks like lime green water at this point. It is a little orange around where the foamy area is. But yeah, I'm not impressed with this, guys. This is not doing what it's supposed to. And I have warm water in there because I was thinking warm would probably be better than cooler. I didn't want to go too hot with it. And yeah, it just looks like from the other side right now, it looks like almost like an orange-brown color. Not seeing anything really, really pretty with this bath bomb. Let me try moving it around a little bit and see if that helps it with any of the colors. So I flipped it over to see if it would do anything different, and guys, this to me this is really gross. It's green and it's orange, and the orange, yeah, I don't even want to explain what I think that the orange looks like. This bath bomb is not what I expected. It's not even putting off like a really good smell into the air like some of the other bath bombs I've used. I just think this one is a dud, guys. So disappointing. I see a little bit of blue coming out of it now, but again, not a lot. And I think, you know, if you're in the bathtub with this bath bomb, everything, of course, the colors are going to mix together and you're going to end up with something that just looks like dirty bath water. The blue coming out of it's a little bit of a better color, and I see some things, some orange streaming out of it now as well. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Let's see if I go in a little bit. So yeah, this is not very pretty, but hey, at least we're getting more colors out of it now. It took a while though, but it looks like it's almost done, guys. I'm starting to smell it a little bit now. But yeah, are you guys as grossed out as I am with this? And it looks like a hurricane right now. You guys see the eye of the storm? Hurricane bath bomb. Hurricane Grogu? Yeah, I bet he could be a hurricane. Or at least Chip could. Hurricane Chip. That would make sense. But there's just a little bit left, so I think you guys get the idea of it. So let me pull out that little piece. And let me talk about my thoughts on this bath bomb. Ah, look at that, guys. Now, right at the very, very end, look at that cloud that just kind of appeared. That is what we were looking for. That's pretty. That's the kind of effect I was looking for with this, and it took all the way to the end to get to that. How cool is that? That's pretty cool. That I like. Looks like a really creepy smiley face. There it is after it's fully dissolved, guys. The tub looks like the swamps of Dagobah. Alright guys, so my overall thoughts on the bath bomb is it definitely, looking at it still, did not work the way I thought it was going to be working. It did stream the colors, but it took almost until the entire bath bomb was dissolved to do so. The water inside the tub itself now is just, it's a big kind of muddy looking mess, but it was cool. It doesn't fill up the air with the scent like other bath bombs I've done in the past do. And of course it didn't have the surprise inside like the little fizzer that I did not that long ago. I'll put that review up there for you if you want to see it. But yeah, so it is available in Walmart stores. Cost on it is $5. And of course, rating it on our scale of totally bad to totally rad, it's a bad, guys. Sorry, I know. I keep turning to look at it to see if it's doing anything else really cool, and it's not. So unfortunately, I am rating this one as a bad as far as bath bombs go. Now, if it's something that you want to just get and add to your collection and not take it out of the little packaging, yeah, that would work, and then maybe it would be a rad for me. But unfortunately, as a bath bomb, it is definitely a bad. What do you think, Fisher?
It's bad, guys. It's really bad.
But guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more awesome and totally rad things in the future, please subscribe to our channel and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss seeing us. And I guess there's only one thing left to say, right, little dude?
We'll see ya later.
Hey, I'm back for a quick second because I just wanted to show you I pulled what wasn't dissolved out of the water. And you can see there are little colored crystals, but they're like right in the very, very middle of it. And they're very bright and very colorful, and yeah, they're all over the place. But yeah, bathwater, not so good. Yeah, not really good at all. No. Chip, you can't eat that. Guys, it stained my hands. That's not good. A bath bomb should not stain you. Could you imagine getting out of the tub and just being totally stained from this? Ugh, yeah. I have to change my rating from a bad to a totally bad. That's not good, guys. Not good at all. One plus side is it did not stain the tub, even though it stained my hands, so that's good. It's really, really like a slippery, slimy feel to it, and the tub is too, so since I'm done, I'm gonna give the tub a quick spritz of those scrubbing bubbles, get all that slimy stuff out of there, and yeah, at least it didn't stain the tub. Chip! No!